Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Mark Magnifico Magsayo, ang kasalukuyang WBC Featherweight Champion. Matapos ma-upset si Gary Russell Jr. noong nakaraang linggo, ay nagpahayag agad ng kagustuhang mayunifika ang titulo. Kahit nag-order na itong WBC, nadidipinsahan niya ang kanyang titulo kontra sa number 1 contender na si Rio Vargas, ay mas gusto pa rin ni Magnifico na makabangga itong Mexican 4 Division Champion na si Leo Santa Cruz na current WBA Super Champion. May kasalukuyang record itong si Santa Cruz na 37 wins, 2 losses, 19 dito via knockout. Huling laban niya ay noong 2020 pa nang patulugin siya na dilat ang mata ni Tank Davis sa 6th round. Matibay at magaling din ito si Santa Cruz mga pre. Naging champion sa bantamweight, super bantamweight, featherweight at super featherweight division. Sa amateur record ni Santa Cruz ay may record itong 148 wins and only 7 defeats. Di nagkakalayo ang stat ng dalawa mga pre. 5'7.5" si Santa Cruz habang 5'6" si Magsayo. 69 ang haba ng kamay ni Santa Cruz habang 68 kay Magnifico at pareho silang orthodox. May 47 knockout rate itong si Santa Cruz habang 66 naman kay Magsayo. Mahilig sa bakbakan itong si Santa Cruz mga pre. Matapang din ito. Dito matakbo kaya magandang laban kung sakaling matuloy man. Wala pang Pinoy na nakalaban itong si Santa Cruz kaya di pa niya naranasan ang bagsik ng isang Pinoy. Kung sakaling matuloy man ang Santa Cruz versus Magsayo, paniguradong digmaan ng mga kamao ang makikita. Ito na ba ang panahon na mayunifika ni Magnifico ang titulo at malasap naman ni Santa Cruz ang pangalawang talo via KO mula sa ating pambato? O dito na makakabangon ang pangalan ni Santa Cruz mula sa napakapait na pagkatalo via KO?
Leo Santa Cruz! Introducing Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Introducing Leo El Terremoto Santa Cruz.
Nataglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman itong si Isa ng Pepeche. Abangan natin ang kaliwa. Ayun sa pool. Sa panga itong si right now. He's putting himself very well.
Beginning to find its target, and just an onslaught from the champion, and down goes Zaleta for the third time.
Magnifico Magsayo.
Pace, you know, he likes to control the pace, and he told us 2 days ago he had to. Big hole hurt.
And down goes DAZN for the... And immediately Santa Cruz goes back on the attack. Landing...
CRUZ is resilient. We talked about him getting up and against Maharas, but he's taking a lot of punishment.
Magsayo, undefeated, perfect record so far, 16-0.
Oh, down!
Good shot. What?
Yes! First one!
Magsayo is invincible.
Old fighters floating around here too. Oh, and there's a right cross by Santa Cruz. Ruiz trying to valiantly fight back, and Santa Cruz looking to light him up like the Las Vegas Strip.
Ruiz should hold on.
And referee Kenny Bayless intervenes.
A little low, konting warning from the referee. Oh, overhand right.
A chopping overhand right. He went through the ring. He went through the rope. It's
stop it because he's taking some solid shots of height advantage. You can definitely control him with that jab, straight right hand, like he is doing right there.
I gotta tell you, if you're Lou Moret,
I don't think this fight is gonna last much longer. That was a straight.
let's hope not, because he is now eating an inordinate amount of right hand.
Living in there carefully. One clean shot, and this fight should be stopped.
Moret's looking in, the onslaught continues, and it's over.
Sapagkat
Katulad dito, 4 na rounds ko po ito.
Magandang countdown.
Cracking right hand from Magsayo.
He hit him with the left power. Oh, what an impressive debut for...
Maatras na si Sandal. There's the cracking right to the body. Left. Raising the head.
Left hook. Maganda. Has been dominant.
Опа!
Santa Cruz has the chance.
Прилипает первым делом Брюссель к Санта-Крусу.
Good right
И
hand.
вот там по печени снова пробивает. Все, и рефери остановил бой. В данном случае...
Oh, that was lovely. 4 punches on the spin. Now gets him in the corner and he goes down this time. And that could be all she wrote. I think it might have been a body shot that was a telling blow. KO number 14 for Mark Magsayo. 19-0. And the man from the Philippines.
Santa Cruz is a machine.
3-punch combination by Santa Cruz and then tees off on Martinez. Has him in the corner.
This is the
Blitz from Santa Cruz.
And you see the balance of Santa Cruz. You see, he understands. He is cognizant of his distance.
A lot of those punches off the arms, but Martinez shelling up.
See, he's not smothering it.
The crowd anticipating another fantastic finish, and the referee steps in.
Oh, beautiful right hand. And Reyes must go down. Oh, another cracking right hand. Reyes in trouble. Magnifico! Magsayo!
Defending titles. Great stuff.
Yeah, tremendous bill there, and I'm really looking forward to watching them ones. Some real great fights on that contest. This is the end of the fight here.
Showing some real durability and toughness. And that's when you wonder as well.
Sort of written on the cards if them two ever meet. Stylistically, they're brilliant.
Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.